Best na Scary Monsters. Guys, nakakatakot pa talaga sila? Yes, you're right. You will hear some very gentle creature. Actually, she is fruits. She used a big fly and to move to tree branches looking for fruits and berries. Can you show us about that? Just like that! Amazing, di ba? But I think everyone wants to know, why do beds hang upside down? May idea ba kayo kung ba't sila nakabaliktad? Well, there are multiple reasons. But first of all, try this. Lotion hand real tight like this. Come on. Real tight. See how much energy it takes to do that? Now relax. What happened? Your hand is open, right? Well, the bad claws. Where's the opposite? When she relaxes, her claws are closed. So she has to work to open them. And when she grabs into a branch and hangs, she is more relaxed and more comfortable. And the other reason is, her legs are so small and so thin, so she can't walk on them or take off from the ground like a bird. At anong gagawin niya para makalipad? She has to climb into higher place. Ayan, at kapag nasa taas na siya, she actually falls to fly. Wow! Just like that! Palakpakan naman natin si Yuri!
Yuri daw.
We here would like to ask all of you, please protect your friends in the wild before they disappear forever. And tell everyone you know that bats are not mean scary creatures. So please, don't hunt them, hurt them, eat them, or keep them as pet. Let's hear it for Yuri together with our trainer Conrad.
Katrina.
Hey guys, this next animal that I'm going to introduce to you is one of my favorite friends. But, it's feared by many humans for no good reason.
Lion.
Di ko alam kung bakit eh.
Lion yan.
Maybe because she moves silently to the forest,
Ay!
slithering from side to side,
Hey!
tangling out, and eyes that never close. Oh, may idea na sila. Snake? Well, let's see for eyes. So, make my friend. Guys, I think meron tayong konting problema. I'm afraid we accidentally misplaced our friend. So, can you please take a look at the receipt? Paano ko sa ilalim? Guys, the last I saw her, she was in a black backpack. Kasi dito rin pa.
Oh no. Alin ba yun?
Wala daw yung ahas.
Ano? Black bag ito ba?
Wala ba
Wala.
yan?
Ayun.
Ay!
Ano yan? Diyan ba talaga nakalagay yan? Oh, may sticker. Kanina pa siya?
Kanina pa lang doon.
Kanina pa yun doon? Baka may ana sa tapat mo. Ay ko ako yung pakialamero. Lagot kami yan. Ayun, nandun sa inupa mo Katrina. Diyan pa naman ako kasi. Totoo na wala. Parang drama lang nila.
Well, think again. Because you also have keen senses that we humans can only dream of.
May nagawin na itong dalawa.
Kuya, doon ka na nga.
Ayun o, dito nakita mo.
Malabas-labas, diba? Well, she can stick her tongue out because she's smelling the air with it. Dahil that sometimes. Hirap, diba? She can also sense heat from the tiny holes along her upper lip. Yan. Can you do that? And see this beautiful pattern on our skin? Ayan, napakaganda, di ba? Well, it helps her to blend perfectly to her environment. Just like, our three brands are here.
Ayun, look, Katrina.
And that's what we
Watch.
call camouflage. Now guys, may tanong naman ako sa inyong lahat. Kasi most people think that snakes have different lighting. Are they? Different lighting ba sila?
Yes.
No?